We all want clear, hydrated and shiny skin, but an ordinary person like me can reach the standard of glassy and clear skin. So if there is a secret, I will try to find the answer. The formula of the most suitable skincare routine that can actually show results within 30 days. But the problem is that we don't all have the same skin. So first we want to find out what your skin type is. Is it dry or oily? Do you want to deal with acne or do you have wrinkles? Whatever skin type you have, you only need 3 skincare products. In this video, I will introduce you products suitable for all skin types. First, you should start by cleaning your face to remove impurities. Washing the skin will open the skin pores and prevent pimples. General experts recommend that you wash your face twice a day, preferably with lukewarm water. If you use makeup, use oily cleansers. And then use a water-based cleanser to get rid of all makeup. Avoid washing the skin too much because it can lead to dry skin. The next step is to moisturize your skin by using moisturizer twice a day. If your skin loses its moisture, it can become dry and inflamed. Use a good fragrance-free moisturizer such as ceramides, glycerin, and hyaluronic acid. The third step is that the more we are exposed to ultraviolet rays without sunscreen, our skin will look like this picture, and it will also cause skin cancer in the long run. So do yourself a favor and a broad-spectrum sunscreen SPF 30. Use sunscreen regardless of whether you go outside or not. If you do these 3 steps, your skin will gradually become clear. My pretties, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. The best products for dry skin include CeraVe Hydrating. This cleanser contains ceramide and hyaluronic acid that help maintain skin moisture. Neutrogena Hydro Boost, a powerful hydrating gel with hyaluronic acid that deeply moisturizes the skin. LTMD UV Daily Broad, a lightweight sunscreen with hyaluronic acid that moisturizes the skin and protects it from UV rays. For a better result than mine, you can ordinary hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5. The best products for oily skin include CeraVe Foaming Facial, contains niacinamide and ceramides to regulate sebum and soothe the skin. Cetaphil Pro, light moisturizer with oil absorption and sun protection. Isdin Aerofitona Actinica, suitable for oily skin and people looking to prevent skin aging. The best products for acne-prone skin include. The best products for acne-prone skin include La Roche-Posay Effaclar, contains 2% salicylic acid and niacinamide, which controls excess oil and helps reduce acne inflammation. CeraVe PM, contains niacinamide, hyaluronic acid and fat-free that moisturizes the skin without clogging the pores. Bioderma Photoderm AKN Matte, light and non-comedogenic sunscreen with niacinamide for acne-prone skin. For better results, you can use the serum Paula's Choice 10% niacinamide booster. Use this serum to shrink pores and reduce acne. The best products for wrinkled skin include Avene Gentle, a creamy and soft cleanser that gently cleanses the skin and prevents dryness and irritation. Neutrogena Hydro Boost, helps to absorb and retain moisture in the skin and gives the skin a fuller and younger appearance. Olay Regenerist Retinol 24, this product contains different forms of retinol that help renew skin cells and reduce wrinkles. But these products are not enough to have clear skin. For better results, you need a healthy diet, 8 hours of sleep, and daily exercise, and avoiding processed foods that contain a lot of sugar.